Ever wonder why bananas aren't stored in the fridge? Bananas are tropical fruits, and they don't like the cold. When you refrigerate bananas, the cold damages their peel, turning it black faster. But inside, the banana might still be fine, just less sweet. Also, bananas release a gas called ethylene, which speeds up ripening. In a fridge, this process slows down and messes with the flavor. To keep bananas fresh and tasty, store them on the counter and enjoy them at room temperature. Like and subscribe for more health tips and tricks.